Guys, if you have a broken dash vent, stay with us, we'll explain how we can fix it just for a few dollars and you will have a brand new looking vehicle again. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys, we'll explain how you can fix broken center dash vent on BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to replace it, how to take it out, how to put the new one, where you can buy a replacement one for the price is unbelievable. It's so cheap guys that I couldn't believe it. It comes with all the tools, everything that you need. We'll explain how to do that now, but before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, codes, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So let us show you guys, okay, how ours is broken, and then we'll explain how we can easily replace it. So we get in the vehicle, right? And I want to show you here guys, okay, check this thing out. Completely broken, it fell apart, I barely put it together there. Okay, not to be big hole, but everything fell apart, you cannot adjust it. So let's explain how you can remove it and replace it with a new one. So what do we guys need to do now? They provided us the tools, which is amazing by the way, and we need to get the plastic prying tool now. You even get a small screwdriver, toothbrush to clean your vents inside, which is super thoughtful. Now it will be recommended to disconnect the car battery because you will be disconnecting the engine start and stop engine switch, other components as well. It's very important to know on BMW which battery terminals to disconnect first, which one to connect first, because otherwise you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now we'll put a link in the description of the video below that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. But this one, you kind of like start guys prying a little bit. Don't go too crazy because you can damage your dash. Okay, and right there it came out. You can see just like that. Now I'm going to pull it to the side, and here, okay, we'll be able to do it without disconnecting the switch actually this time. I think we'll be able to do it that way. What do we need to do now? We need to remove quite a few screws and clips here, okay, that hold everything guys in place. So these wires, okay, here we'll need to go ahead, okay, and this one was supposed to come out from the clip, it didn't, okay, like this one. And these wires, you press that one here, you pull it out. Same thing to that one. Now here guys, okay, let's see what else we have here, what else we need to do. The tools that they provided, it's amazing if you're doing a one-time thing. Right there, you can see, you just go ahead and pull them out, alright? Okay, just like this one. Now, specifically guys, I'm going to grab the screwdriver to be a little bit faster so I don't waste your time, because with this thing, you will have limited movement. So let me go ahead, grab quick, or see, well, I actually can turn it from what I see, okay. Second screw coming out. We have guys a few more on this side. Okay, let me show you now. Almost there. Perfect. Third, fourth on this side. Okay, this is the fourth one. Now on the back side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more, 5 more, 5 guys. Yeah, that's on the lower side. Now we'll show you in a little bit. Let us show you quick where all the clips are for that piece. Okay, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you come on this side, and here you have 6, 7 clips guys. So you know where to apply pressure when you remove it, that way you don't damage your dash, your trim piece, as well. So yep, it's coming now. Perfect. Then I think we have only 3 more that we need to remove, and we should be able to take the vent apart. Okay, that last one is super tight fit. That one was cracked here too, I guess. We removed it in the past when we were working on a vehicle or something, or somebody else did. Number, what's that one? 3, 4, and 4. That's number 8 now. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. We just, after this one, we have only one more screw that we will need to remove. Okay, and it's about to come out. Last one here, by the ignition switch, by the engine start-stop switch. Perfect. Now let's see if it's going to come on. Yeah, it did. So guys, now we get a little screwdriver that they send us, and here we're going to go ahead, pry these clips, and when we start prying them, we need to start applying pressure to pull them out. This one is cracked, you can see. Okay, so the first few that you start are the hardest to do, guys. Okay, one is out. Second one out. They're super tight fits, okay? So it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, let me see if I can get the plastic prying too, it might be better. Oh, come on, this one almost went in. Let me see if I can start from the bottom too. On one side it's easier than the other one usually. Yeah, bottom one is a little bit easier. Starting on the bottom first, guys. Now we're gonna have the room to move. Ah, I clicked it back in. Okay, perfect. Make sure you don't put back pressure on the bottom side. This thing is ridiculous. Okay, let me see, make sure we don't have anything here. No, that's the only thing holding. Okay, still doesn't want to come out, guys. I mean, just careful not to break your vents. There. Let me see that we don't have anything else holding. I don't think we do. From what I see, it's just super tight. Okay, 3 are out, 3 more to go on this side, unfortunately. Okay, 1 more, 2 more. Just the last one now. Okay, let's see now. What else is holding here? Okay, there is a switch here holding, guys. And this one. Okay, it's perfect. There is one hidden clip right here that you want to get. Otherwise, okay, that's for the whole end coat. That's not going to work. Now we need to get our switch here, and that switch, okay, should come to the front side. Now we're going to press here, and on the other clip you pull it out. Okay, that's a broken vent. Now we're going to get that switch here, install it, just like this one. Now we need to align everything really good again. Okay, now here guys, that will be the time. Okay, if you have anything, we had a piece left here, inspect to make sure the inner vent is good. It should be. And we have, by the way, okay, that toothbrush that you can use to actually clean, okay, everything here. If you need to, you can clean your vents. If you have dust, that will be the time to clean them, guys. Now align them in the middle, both of them, and when they're in the middle, you need to make sure those are in the middle too. Check this thing out, because this thing needs to snap in there. So what we're going to do now, okay, we're going to put it this way, and we need to go at the same time in the middle of the vent, guys, in the middle, and it will need to be towards, okay, you will need to be towards the bottom a little bit. You will see now. Okay, but obviously this one needs to go a little bit more this way, and that's the tricky part, to align everything now, because okay, this one will go in, this one needs to go more to the right. Just see them, guys, align everything. Because otherwise it's not going to work. So guys, here, okay, we adjusted it. I'll show you now. We start on the top, we need to align the little clips here, right? And while you do that, okay, you're going to start aligning the other one in as well. Kind of like in an angle. Okay, this one is in. Kind of like need to move them, wiggle them a little bit out of the way. Give me a second to make sure this one doesn't come off, because you have to do both at the same time, which is ridiculous. But we should be able to, right in the middle. Okay, this one is in, this one is in. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, get all of these pieces together. Okay, I want to test everything before I snap it in place. It moves left and right, up and down. Moves up and down, left and right. We're going to close it now. This thing will be, guys, extremely tight. But eventually it will close. That clip here that's hidden, you need to make sure you get it there as well. Okay, this one clicked in place. The only thing that we have now, okay, is that clip right here. Okay, that, okay, is in. This one here needs to go more in. From what I see, it got stuck a little bit. And the bottom ones are in place. So we're ready, guys, to install it now. Okay, so guys, we can flip it now. Get it. Okay, let me see, it goes the other way. Get it this way here. And we need to align everything. Okay. And everything's aligning. The cables, the wires we will install later. Now what I'm going to do, install the screws. I just got the other screwdriver that I can go a little bit faster with that thing. Okay, I'll go ahead and install all of them. Do not get them tight. Just start them almost tight, but not tight, so we can align and center everything. Because otherwise you may have a big gap on one side, small gap on the other one. That could look really funny. Okay, so we install the 4 ones. Here now. Now 5 on the back. Here as well. Okay, 2 more guys. And I think we're almost done. We probably have less than a minute. Connect the cables, install the thing. Okay, last one now. That's on the holding the ignition switch there. And now we can start tightening them. 1, 2, right here, tighten that one. Don't over tighten them, it's plastic, it can crack. Okay, and we just have after that one the 4 on top. Right there. Okay, here something didn't go in. Give me a second because here something's not aligning. Okay, you can see on top something, we have a gap. So we need to reposition it here. Something didn't go in, guys, and I just saw that. That's why it's a good thing to always watch the video so we know what's happening. Okay, let me see what caused that now. Not too close there. The bottom looks great, everything's good, except the top, which looks terrible, by the way. If we, let me see if we make sure that everything else is in. It looks like it is, except one of the clips here. Okay, so I'll align everything again. We might need to reposition it just a little bit. So guys, we align everything and we just tighten it. You may need to reposition a little bit up and down. Okay, now the next thing that we have here practically is we need to, guys, okay, go ahead and install the wires for the power door locks and for the emergency flashers. Okay, right there. Next thing, we need to get our clip here that was holding the cables, guys. Okay, that clip, perfect. What we gotta do now, align everything. By the way, when you order that switch, there are 2 possibilities: the one with the chrome or the without the chrome insert. We just got that one temporarily. Okay, and okay, we're getting in. Perfect, guys. Okay, we're ready to go. Watch, dash vents work. Okay, and everything looks amazing, guys. So that's how we did. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.